In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Ton from Bybit to Bybit Web3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have Ton available on your Bybit wallet and you would like to transfer it directly into Web3, you can do so with a function that is available on the Bybit Web3 website. So in order to initiate this transfer, go over to the Bybit Web3 homepage and in here sign into your account. Once you are signed in, you will be able to find this option when you choose the option to receive. So sign into your account, select receive underneath your wallet, and once you choose the receive option, you can choose the particular token that you would like to receive. From this list, look for Ton. Now, once you select Ton from this list, you will be given a QR code and the actual wallet address. Usually, you would have to copy this address or the QR code and scan it with another exchange wallet. But one of the options that you will see available here is transfer from Bybit account. So they actually make this process very easy because all that you have to do, if you are doing this through the Bybit Web3 website, is to click on this option. This will give you the standard deposit window, but from here you will be depositing from Bybit. So the wallet address should automatically be filled out, and all that you have to do is sign into your account, verify your details to confirm. If this does not work, you can manually copy the address, go over to the standard Bybit website, and initiate a transfer from there. But this button here should fill out all of the necessary information for you, and all that you have to do afterwards is input the amount of Ton that you would like to transfer. This will also work with any other asset that you have available on your Bybit account. So as long as you choose transfer from Bybit account when you select receive on the Bybit Web3 page, you will be able to transfer it directly from your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Ton from Bybit to Bybit Web3. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.